Vidyu, streaming to Facebook. All Vidyu products are now natively integrated with Facebook Live. Vidyu devices can now stream to a Facebook timeline or a page. Today, we'll be using Vidyu Pro. Let's get started. First, you want to communicate with your Vidyu device. You can do this through the Vidyu app, the web UI, or on the OLED display. Today, we'll be accessing our Vidyu Pro with the web UI. On your Vidyu device, toggle down to Network Settings, Wi-Fi. Change your mode to Access Point, AP. This way, we will connect to the Vidyu Pro directly. Setup. Here, you can enter your access point name, channel, and security. Go back and click Info. Take note of the IP address as you will need this to connect to your Vidyu device. We are now accessing the Vidyu web UI. Connect your computer to the access point name through Wi-Fi. Enter the IP address into your web browser. Let's make sure your Vidyu Pro software is on the latest version. Click Settings, System. Expand the Firmware Upgrade menu and make sure the firmware is up to date. See our firmware update tutorials to see how to install the latest version on your device. Make sure you have a video source set up. Connect the video source to the Vidyu Pro via HDMI and make sure it is powered on. The blue LED should light up next to the camera icon on your Vidyu Pro. Make sure your Vidyu Pro has access to the internet. Click Network on the web UI to see all network information. You can select from wired, Wi-Fi, or USB modem. Today, I'm using ShareLink, which allows me to use multiple internet connections. I will be using a hardline Ethernet connection and a USB modem. We will now set up our stream. In the Settings menu, click Broadcast. This is where you will set up your stream. Platform. Select Facebook. Click Authorize your Vidyu. A device code will pop up as well as display a link, facebook.com/device. Click the link, type in your code here, and click Continue. This step is very important as it will allow your Teradek device permission to stream to your Facebook. After that's done, click Continue. You can now select to stream to timeline or a page under your account. Enter a title, description, privacy information, as well as other settings here. Click Apply. Exit out of the menu. Then, click the green circle button to start the stream. You are now live on Facebook.